Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Blair. Very happy to have you. So today's video, we're going to do a tutorial using the new Morphe 35M palette, if I can get it open. There we go. Y'all, these shades are beautiful. But as always, before we do get started, if you have not already, please make sure to subscribe. You, right there, talking to you. But if you are subscribed, go ahead and make sure to hit the bell notification button down below so you are notified every time I upload a new video, which, again, if I keep on my current schedule, will be every Monday and Thursday. Okay. If you do like this video, go ahead and make sure to give it a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. And as always, if you have not already, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms. They will be linked in the description box down below. But now that we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I wanted to go ahead and zoom y'all in because we are focusing more so on the eye look today using the Morphe 35M palette. So the first shade we're gonna go in with is this burgundy shade down here, our NYX number 16 brush. Now there aren't really any transition shades in the palette, so we're gonna kind of just use this burgundy shade as our transition. So we just want to place it in the crease and lightly do our windshield wiper motions, and we'll just bring it up. I see on this one it's a little up here. We'll just bring it higher towards our brow since, like I said, we're not using a transition shade. And you can bring it all the way out. Guys, I don't know why I'm so hungry. I woke up from taking a nap and now I'm starving. But it's 12:30 at night, so I'm not gonna eat. So once you feel like you have that color built up enough, we're gonna go in with this deeper burgundy shade here. You can use the same brush, and we're just gonna focus that more so in our crease. And if you ever feel like you do bring any of the colors too high up, you can always just take a fluffy blending brush with no product on it and just do light circular motions above just to blend the shade out a little bit more. Like so. We're going to continue to go in with our Morphe number 16 brush, but we're going to go in with this deeper shade here, just to kind of intensify our crease. So once you're satisfied with the crease shades, we're gonna go into our purples now. We're gonna take the Morphe E17 brush and this. So it doesn't look purple on camera, but there we go, this shade right here. And we really just want to focus this on our inner corner, right in the crease. Kind of like we're doing a halo eye, but we're not doing a halo eye. But those are the sections that you're going to want to focus it on. Inner corner, or inner corner, outer V, and in the crease. Now while I was working with the purple, it didn't necessarily come off as violet as I wanted it to. So I did go in with the Queen of Hearts colored Raine palette and take the shade Ladyship and just throw a little bit of that in that same area, still using the Morphe E17 brush. Once you feel like you have the purple shades all built up, you can go back in with your NYX number 16 brush and just buff the edges of those two shades. doing those light circular motions so everything blends together and we don't have any harsh lines. Now for our crease, we're going to go in with 2 shimmer shades. We're going to go down first with this deeper purple, and then we're going to overlay this purple shade here. So we're going to take our BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. It's just a flat brush. We're going to go in with the brush into the first purple shade I showed you. Get a nice amount on the brush. Gonna spray the brush with our Smashbox primer water and just go in on our lid. So after we finish with that first purple shade, we're gonna go in with the second shade that I showed you. Same brush, and we are just going to layer it on top. So once we have our shimmers on there, we are gonna go ahead and take this deeper purple shade. It's almost black, it's so deep. Take that and our Morphe M506 brush. It's just a really fine tip blending brush. Take that shade and we're gonna place this right on our outer V just to deepen it up. And you can even take it into the crease just a smidge. So we're just gonna go ahead and take a wipe and get any of the fallout. And also take the wipe and wrap it around your finger like so. I'm just gonna use my nail to try and get a more precise line. So of course we are going to wing out this look. Just gonna take my Stylist Stay All Day liquid eyeliner and Intense Black and throw this wing on. So now that we have the wing on, we're just gonna go ahead and throw some of the unlashed mascara from Wander Beauty on our top lashes. So the lashes I'm gonna go in with today, I did receive from a company off Instagram called Eden Rose. They are these right here. I did get 4 different styles. So there's the ones I'm using today. Then I have these, and these. And as you can see, they are all dramatic. They are all fluffy, voluminous, luscious lashes. I love them. So if you want some good lashes, they do have a thick band or a thicker band, so they're kind of easier to apply on your eye, I feel like. So if you're looking for some nice lashes, go ahead and take a look at Eden Rose. They will not disappoint you. We're gonna go ahead and take the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive and just throw that on here. So y'all do usually see me with lash extensions. I did take them out. I usually let my lashes rest for about a week in between taking them off and redoing them. So sometime next week I'll probably do them. And I've had a few requests on a tutorial on how to do them, so I will definitely do that. It'll probably have to wait until I get back from California. I'm trying to pre-record a few videos between now and my trip, so while I'm there I can kind of just upload them as the days go by and not have to worry about recording. To put the lash on, you kind of want to take it on the middle on your tweezers. Take a mirror and hold it below your eye and just pop them off. Once I have them on my lid, I do always take my tweezers and just kind of go throughout and crimp them together so that they do attach to my real lashes. And bam! we have nice, beautiful lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my base and the rest of my face on off camera. And once I finish that up, I will be right back and we can get finished up with this look. Okay, I'm back. So now that we have the rest of our face on, we really just need to focus on our lower lash line. We'll apply some highlighter, a lip, and we will be all done. So for our lower lash line, first brush we're going to take is a BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. And we're going to go in with this second burgundy shade that we used earlier. And just start that on the outer corner of our lower lash line. We just want to bring that about midway through our lower lash line. Next shade we're going to take is the Ladyship shade from the Colored Raine palette. Now, next shade we're going to go in with is that deep purple shade that we used earlier in our outer V. We're going to take a flat definer brush from M.A.C Cosmetics. We'll just stamp it along our lash line. Gives us the illusion of a liner without a liner. So for our inner corner and our brow bone, I'm not going to use a shade from the palette. I do have a Morphe highlighter in the shade Spark. And it's just so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and take a BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. It's just a little pencil brush. And just dab that into our inner corner. So to finish up the eye look, we're just going to put on some mascara on our bottom lashes. Of course, you know I'm going in with the Wetnwild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. So now that we have our bottom lashes done, we're going to go ahead and apply our highlighter. I'm going to take the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush and the highlighter from Morphe. And we'll go ahead and put that on our cheeks. Look at that. Woo. Now, I think it was, I want to say Kathleen Lights on YouTube who talked about this highlighter on her channel. And I just love her. So I had to get it. And I see why she loves it. Like, yo, look at that. A little on her chin. I'm on our Cupid bow. And I'm just gonna take my finger and dip it in the highlighter and apply it on my nose here. And down the bridge. So now that our face is all finished up, we just need a lip. So since it is now fall, I can officially say it is fall, and we kind of have a little vampy look going on the eye. I'm gonna stick with that. So we have the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Vintage. Really pretty deep burgundy shade. So let's go ahead and get that on. Quite possibly one of my most favorite formulas for liquid lipstick. It's just so easy to apply, so creamy. It doesn't dry throughout the day. So now that we have our lip on, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair up and throw some earrings on off camera, and then we'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, we're back with our finished look. Just had to go ahead and throw on some hoops. fix my hair a little bit. Really do hope that y'all like this look that we created today with the Morphe 35M palette. I'm kind of in love with it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Really just kind of keeps us moving forward with these fall looks that I love with a passion. Y'all have no idea. But yeah, this is our finished look. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you so much. And I will see everybody next time. Bye guys.